In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your parking location on Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure your location services are turned on. After you park your car, tap the blue that shows your current location on the map. From the options that appear, select Set as Parking Location or Save Parking. Google Maps will drop a pin on your exact parking spot, so you can easily find your car later. You can tap the Save Parking Location to add notes, photos, or set a reminder if needed. This is especially helpful if you're parking in large malls, airports, or unfamiliar areas where it's easy to forget the exact spot. When you're ready to return, simply open Google Maps and tap the parking pin. Then select directions to guide you back to your car. That's it. Now you know how to save parking locations on Google Maps and avoid forgetting where you parked. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.